No, don't do it again. No.
Jack, stop.
No.
Dude, if you cross it,
Dude, for real, don't. For real, don't do it. Don't do it again.
bro, I'm leaving. Stop, bro.
Going to Area 51 in September definitely has its dangers. But if you're a YouTuber and you film yourself entering the restricted grounds of Area 51, there could definitely be an upside. Views, subscribers, money. What better way to witness a bunch of people storming the military base than to watch other people doing it from the comfort of your home? Storming Area 51 is a huge viral phenomenon right now, and even though the storming might not actually take place, here are a list of YouTubers who will be going to Area 51 in September. By the way, you are watching InformOverload, where we overload you with information. I'm Charlotte Dobre, and even though I probably won't make it out alive, I'm down to storm Area 51. Subscribe for spicy news updates and top 10 lists, turn on the bell so you never miss one of our videos, and follow the IO team on Instagram and Twitter. Alright, let's get into this list of the top 10 YouTubers that will be going to Area 51 in September. Most of these YouTubers have not officially announced that they will be going to the raid, so the best way for me to figure out who will be there is by looking at the YouTubers who have already made videos about Area 51 and have gone there or talked about it in general. Truthfully, the raid is going to be full of YouTubers filming everything. Let's hope you'll be able to find them in the dark with hundreds of thousands if not millions of people around. At number 10, Licking Guy. Licking Guy is a YouTuber with 226,000 subscribers, and he, you guessed it, licks things and posts videos of him licking things to his channel. I know that sounds kind of creepy, but it's actually funny. He just licks random inanimate objects. Not that kind of inanimate object. Back on September 3rd, 2017, he posted a video called Licking Area 51. The video as it stands has 4 million views, much higher than the view count for his other videos, which average at about 50,000 views each. In his video, he gets about as up close and personal with Area 51 as you can get. I mean, he licked the sign at the gate, removed it, and then ran off. Problem is, this little gag definitely didn't go unnoticed by Area 51 personnel. A warning shot was fired as he was running away. Any other person would not go back after experiencing this, but YouTubers are not normal people. No, they're not. I can definitely see Licking Guy going to Area 51 in September and probably licking an alien. Something tells me aliens do not like being licked. Sliding right into number 9 on our list, Tyler Oliveira. Tyler is a YouTuber with 304,000 subscribers. If you haven't seen his videos before, he's kind of like a low budget Mr. Beast. Tyler posted a video on July 22nd called Spending 24 Hours in Area 51 Challenge that has 1.2 million views at the time of this writing. Tyler went to Area 51 by himself and drove along Extraterrestrial Highway and ended up in Rachel, Nevada, where he spent a night at Little Alien. He then drove right up to the gate. He didn't really see much. He didn't even see anyone else driving out there. He did, however, talk to some locals who claimed to have seen a bright light that they thought was the moon at first. But as they looked closer, they realized the UFO was a triangle that hovered and disappeared in the blink of an eye. I would definitely want to go back to Area 51 after hearing that. Or wouldn't, depends on who you're talking to. Next up at number 8, Explore With Us. Explore With Us is a YouTube channel with 726,000 subscribers, and they explore various places. They film it and then post it to their channel. They've posted a couple different videos of their visits to Area 51. In their video, we ran into the Area 51 camo dudes, and this is how they reacted. They went right up to the front gate of the base, and then they went to the back gate, and then they ran into 2 camo dudes who held them at gunpoint. Considering this channel is all about exploring and adventures, I would be surprised if they didn't turn up to the Area 51 raid in September. At lucky number 7 on our list, Exploring with Josh. Exploring with Josh is the YouTuber with 3.7 million subscribers, and he travels the world looking for abandoned places or places that are surrounded by mystery. He went to Area 51 a couple of years ago in 2016 with some friends, and he stayed the night. Josh does believe that there is probably alien technology being kept secret there. So he went to the base, and when he did, he of course didn't make it into the grounds. But would this YouTuber pass up a chance to explore one of the most top secret places on Earth? Well, he already said he was going to the raid, so he's going to film it and he's going to be there. Sliding into number 6, Ireland Boys Productions. They've got 3.3 million subs on YouTube, and they post a bunch of different types of content. They do challenges, pranks, and 24-hour overnight challenges. They posted a 2-part video called Storming Area 51 Early, Chased Out, and one of them crossed the line. Oh god, do not cross the line. Do not cross the line! He crossed the line by crossing the line. But he also crossed the line and didn't get shot. However, on their way back to LA for 6 hours, a semi-truck followed them. Their Area 51 videos did almost twice as well as their other videos, and these boys look like clout chasers. They will 100% be at the Area 51 raid in September. Halfway there now at number 5, UFO Seekers. An Area 51 raid without YouTube's official alien hunters just would not be. an Area 51 raid. If you don't know who UFO Seekers are, Tim and Tracy run a channel with around 242,000 subscribers, and they've been posting content since 2016. They travel the southwestern United States investigating locations, sky watching, talking to witnesses who claim to have witnessed either UFOs or aliens directly. Tim and Tracy even have a personalized car with their UFO Seekers logo on the side of it. They have posted easily 10 to 20 videos on Area 51, and many of their most popular videos are about exactly that. I didn't get a chance to check out all of them, but I did look at a video called Area 51 Wants This Video Banned. They spent the night on Groom Lake Road just outside of Area 51, and the camo dudes ended up calling the sheriff on them. Now, even though they have posted a ton of videos about Area 51 already, they've never actually gone inside the base. I can't see them passing up an opportunity to do that. Can you? Moving right along now to number 4 on our list, Preston. Preston is a YouTuber with 10 million subscribers who posted a video called "So We Stormed Area 51 and This Happened." They drove up to the back entrance of the base, which is pretty much as close as you can get without being arrested. They passed by camo dudes who didn't wave back. Rude. The car then followed them to the main gate and blocked them off when they got to that main gate and confiscated their memory cards that were in their microphones. Luckily, Preston had already switched the memory cards from earlier in the day, so he still had the footage. Sneaky sneaky. At number 3 on our list, Sniper Wolf. On August 2nd, 2019, Leah uploaded a video called "I Went to Area 51. She and several friends rented a car and visited the base. The car was actually pulled over by police, and the police straight up asked them if they were going to storm Area 51. So it's clear pretty much all the personnel around there know about the event. Sniper Wolf went right up to the gate of Area 51 test facility and filmed everything. They also saw the Air Force testing black stealth planes that flew into the mountains. Sniper Wolf's videos usually reach about 1 to 2 million views, and in comparison, her Area 51 video reached 5.1 million. Pretty big difference, which is why Sniper Wolf will 100% be going to Area 51 in September. Getting close now, at number 2 we got Deji. On July 19, 2019, Deji uploaded a video called "Getting Ready to Storm Area 51. Deji went to a shooting range in the States to practice, which is like, I'm sorry, I thought we were Naruto running. I didn't realize people would have guns. Regardless, Deji tried practicing with a few different guns, including a sniper rifle. I feel like it wasn't the best idea to put a video on the internet that shows him practicing at a shooting range with the intention of storming a top secret, highly classified, very well guarded military base. Let's hope Deji doesn't actually bring guns when he storms Area 51 in September. And at number 1, you might have already guessed it, Mr. Beast. Back on August 2nd, 2019, Mr. Beast uploaded a video called "I Spent 24 Hours Straight at Area 51. The video at this time has 21 million views. He and his friends camped out just outside the grounds of Area 51. Over the course of the night, they used a telescope to look at the grounds, and they also heard the sounds of aircraft above. They climbed a mountain so that they could see what was inside the base from a better vantage point. Considering how well his first video did, and considering the fact that the first visit was just to scout the area, Mr. Beast will definitely be going to Area 51 in September to film that storming. The top pinned comment on his video also says, "Subscribe for more alien hunting." There you have it, you just heard the top 10 YouTubers that will be going to Area 51 in September. If you didn't want to go to Area 51 to clap some alien cheeks, then maybe you'll want to go so you can meet your favorite YouTubers. I should probably let you guys know before we do comments that the official raid event is not supposed to be happening, but even if that's the case, there is no way big YouTubers will pass up an opportunity to go to Groom Lake on September 20th. I promise you that. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comment features. Moon on Quick said, "Inform Overload, happy sad story, keep them coming." Aye aye, Captain. Aesthetic Hobo said, "I have been overloaded with information." Good. That's my job. Alexa said, "I bought a pet potato and named it Isaiah Orton. That means its initials are I-O." Ah, that's cute. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Click this playlist over here to keep watching I-O, and leave a like if you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you want more, and I will see you in a future I-O video.